Okay, so this is called Avenida do Industrial Park, and this is there's a parking garage right there, and right in here we're right next to the border. The border is right there, so that's the border to China. That's those are some buildings in China right over on the other side, and a kind of a little bit of a border gate right there. So we're gonna walk down our street, and we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, this is the little Avenida. There's a parking garage right there. Then that all goes to the border, so you can see what that looks like. There's a big fence and all these beautiful, beautiful trees all up ahead of us. And kind of an industrial area. So there's places you can actually sit right here. And so you can just kind of sit, and I guess if you had like somebody that was on the China side, you couldn't see him somewhere else, they could go there, I guess. I think that looks like a fence over there. Actually, I'm not so sure how that would look exactly. And this is a public garage right there, so anybody can pay to park there. So yeah, looks like we have a lot of factories in here, and I think I'm not going to film for very long, but I'm going to go up ahead. It's a little bit uncomfortable to film. Okay, so here's something called the Yoho Cafe Center. Looks also equally industrial. This is our street, so it just basically looks exactly like this all the way down, and all the way down like that too. And we're just going to keep on walking down to the end. These are some of the trees here. Okay, we're walking down a little bit further. There's some Rolls Royce right there. So there's like Tesla. It's kind of like a service center of different places. We're still on our border, and then we still have more of our seats that you can sit on as well. And all of this is so the thing right here, and you can also see all the way down into this whole area down that way. So that's all part of Macau in the distance. Okay, so this one also kind of goes down this way, all the way down that way, and then it kind of goes all the way down across this border. And I think we're just going to come to an ending right here, because there's a lot of factories, a lot of different stuff, and all that over there is all Macau over on that side. But kind of interesting. Someday it'll be so beautiful when it's all opened up. Okay. So actually this one just keeps on kind of meandering around. So we're just gonna see. So now it turns into Nova. So it kind of goes around like that and all the way around like that. So we'll end it.